Who let the dogs out?
Woof, 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 woof.
Who let the dogs out? Not me, not me, not me. Who let the dogs out?
Me.
Wait, Dimmy, what's with the dog treats in your hand? Oh, wait, hold up. Hey, Double Jimmy, get back here. How dare you take the dog treats? Stupid. What the heck have you got on your head? Small dog treats. Wait, is that a dog treat or not? Did you just twist its head off? Yes. Hey, you Dimmy, you actually put it on. Hey, Dimmy, how dare you? Jimmy! Time to say bye-bye.